baby Rumi feels a sad drift. Little baby Rumi hugs it tight. Evil little Mira tears it in spite. Little baby Mira mocks poor Rumi. Rumi and Mira and baby feel gloomy. Little baby Rumi feels so alone. Evil little Mira breaks her heart. Little baby Rumi's filled with sorrow. Little baby Rumi fears tomorrow. Evil poison snake crawls near Rumi. Baby Rumi's hurt, it's gloomy. Mira calls help in fear and pain. Little baby Mira cries in fright, carrying Rumi in the night. Doctors start a serious fight. Mira and Rumi pray she'll be alright. Baby Rumi, evil Mira tricks small Rumi. Little baby Rumi punish gloomy. Evil Mira laughs at Rumi. Evil Mira spoils her smoothie. Little baby Rumi cries for aid. Little baby Rumi pleads unafraid. Evil Mira throws the ball fast, spinning in the air as it flies past. Little baby Rumi hit in the head. Evil Mira freezes in dread. Ambulance rushing close to Rumi. Little Mira worries gloomy. Dr. Jinu heals up Rumi. Little Mira sorry truly. Little baby Rumi smiles again. Now they're best friends, all without pain. Evil Mira runs after mermaid Rumi. Jinu sits so worried, his heart so gloomy. Mermaid Rumi gives birth by the sea. A shining mermaid baby comes to be. Evil Mira dresses as nurse to deceive. Little baby Rumi can't believe. Evil Queen Mira takes Jinu away. Jinu and Mira drive off that day. Baby Rumi and mermaid baby walk alone. Evil Mira mocks them back at home. Evil Mira whispers her wicked scheme. Angry Jinu ends Rumi's dream. Little baby Rumi walks with her child. Abby sees them, he's shocked and wild. Abby helps Rumi and her baby too. Abby and Rumi share dinner for two. Baby Rumi feeds her baby small, while evil Mira steals it all. Jinu returns and sees the crime. Abby and Rumi are happy this time. Evil Mira caught sweet Rumi. Evil Mira stole her from the sea. Evil Jinu and Mira mock sweet Rumi. Mermaid Rumi begs help me. Evil Mira keeps on teasing. Evil Jinu shouts so loud. Mermaid Rumi dreams at night. Mermaids bigly swim so proud. Evil Mira spreads her gas. Mermaid Rumi and Jinu sleepy. Evil Mira casts a spell fast. Baby Rumi wakes from dreaming, finds a phone, she makes a call. Baby Rumi hears her pleading, kicks the hope and breaks the thrall. Baby Rumi brews a potion, she gives it to a flying bird. Bird flies fast across the ocean, carrying hope without a word. Drinks the cure and feels alive. Jinu drinks, recalls the story, begs for pardon to survive. Jinu shouts and throws out Mira. Evil's gone, no more inside. Little baby Rumi like I'm born to be. Dreaming how we came so far, now I believe. We're going up, 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 it's a moment. You know together we're glowing. Gonna be golden. Oh no. Up, up, up with our voices. You know together we're glowing. Gonna be golden.
And meet up on the roof at midnight. Got it.
Oh, I'm done hiding now. I'm shining like I'm born to be. Oh, time, no fears, no lies. That's who we're born to be. Waited so long to break these walls down, to wake up and feel like me.
We are finally
Put those patterns all in the past now and finally live like the girl they all see. No more hiding, I'll be shining like I'm born to be. Cause we
And I remember when they first met, it was immediately clear.
Gino and Mira wed in May.
cheers.
So we
To the
baby
bride
added
and
cheer. Rumi comes and
what?
fills with fear.
That can't be real.
Romance, mystery, and surprise.
Think you can ruin our day?
Evil mirrors
Try me, I dare
disguised. Gino shouts and drives her out.
Please tell me that's not
Lost in
true.
pain and doubt. Gino once had brought her flowers. They were happy, sweetest hours.
Right, of course she gets all the attention
Envy
again.
starts her scheme. Dark intentions feed her dream. Rumi flees unaware. Mira pours a potion there. Soldier boys perform below. Evil mermaid starts the show. Dino flees in deep dismay. Demon Rumi hunts her prey. Mira comes to save the scene. Rumi wakes her soul now clean. Gino falls for Mira's
Swear I didn't
ways.
do this. This potion proves it wasn't me.
In deep embrace.
You just did that.
Rumi proves it's all a lie.
I don't deserve this, but please, say you'll still marry me. If you enjoyed this, make sure to hit that like button.
And subscribe to our channel for more adventures.
Mira's happy with little Rumi. Tiny Rumi runs with a paper so sunny. Mira doesn't look and walks away. Baby Rumi feels sad that day. Gino comes home from work so late. She runs to show her grade so great. Gino too just turns his eyes. Mira and Gino dying in paradise. Baby Rumi eats alone in gloom, while joy fills up the family room. They sleep together, hearts so light. Baby Rumi cries through night. She dreams of days when love was near, when Gino laughed and held her dear. Her mom Rumi took her for a ride on a Ferris wheel so high, so wide. Baby Rumi wakes and sighs, sees the joy and lonely cries. She packs her things without a sound and leaves her home, no one around. Trouble finds her, she calls her little baby.